Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how you can create a beautiful theme using this cheap model of Gemini 2.5 Flash by Google. So this one just costs 0.60 per million tokens and it's really cheap. But when I tested this in the previous video, it did not create a proper UI. The appearance, it's not looking great, but it completely constructed the single prompt directory right here. Now, what I want to show you is how you can create a beautiful UI. So we will be using Daisy Tailwind. So this extra prompt right here, we will add this in the settings. So this is self-explanatory. We will ask client or root code to have all the templates that it's creating to use the CSS class based on the Daisy UI Tailwind. And since this is a latest model by Gemini 2.5, so I'm pretty sure it's able to know what Daisy UI Tailwind is. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this. So we will copy this and we will go to our client configuration. So you see these settings right here. You have these custom instructions, so you can paste that right there and make sure you add the correct model, which is this Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview 0520. So we copy this and we replace the model here and then click on Save. Now it's going to use the Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview. At the same time, it has these custom instructions that we provided so that it will create a template based on the Daisy Tailwind. Now we're going to grab a copy of this directory custom prompt right here and paste that to a blank notepad. Now, as you can see right here, I provided all the variable value. So since we have the existing theme already created, so as you can see right here, it's live now, weight loss-Australia, that directory, and we are now hosting this one in our hostinger. Here, we will be hosting our 100 directory challenge, this 2025, and this is the 6th directory that we created so far. Now, the data that you see right here, so look at the listings. So we've got 355 listings, and if you take a look, one of the listings right here, you will see it's displaying comprehensively, and look at how beautiful this got displayed. So if you want to watch how this directory was created, it was just in the previous video, or you can click the link in the description below. Now the data, the 355 listings right here that we uploaded in that new directory, we took that from this website, GFA Scraper. So as you can see, the 353 listing right there, the weight loss service. So I'm using this because it's cheaper than Outscraper and the result is faster. In just seconds, depends on how big your listing is, you will almost get that instantly. Now we are gonna use this font prompt directory maker that I am providing you in the link below, so you can get a copy of this. So here, we will be pasting that in a notepad so that we will be able to configure all these variables right here. What we're going to do is we just name the folder to the model that we will be using right here, which is the Gemini 2.5 Flash right there. So we're going to replace the space with underscore because we don't want spaces in our folder. And then here, we will have the theme name, same as what we did in the folder. We will append it with the model that we will be using. So color palettes, this is optional because we already have a custom instruction. So based on the Tailwind UI, I think it's going to decide the color palette. So I'm just going to remove that. And we will also remove this, the line 30 right here. We don't want to apply the color palettes because we already remove it. Now, let's see if it's going to follow our custom instructions. At the same time, this complex prompt right here to be able to create our beautiful theme. Now we're going to copy this. So let's head over to Prime and paste our directory maker prompt right here, and let's do that. That is done. So as you can see right here, we got the summary, and let's check the new folder right here. So this is the new directory for our new theme, and I think it got all the files that we requested. Now what we need to do is go to WP admin, and we will check the themes right here, and you will see that's the theme right there. So Gemini 2.5 Flash, and we will activate this. So I'm pretty excited how it will appear. Alright, so there you go. This is the home page, and this is the browse weight loss service by state. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful, actually. Wow, it's clean. It's using the Tailwind Daisy UI. It's beautiful, guys. And how much did we spend on this one? So let's see. It's just for 0.1. We created this beautiful directory right here. Look at this, guys. So let's check one of the listings. And here, we got all the details right here. And let's see how it listed the state. Go to home and browse by state. This is cool. Oh, look at this. Wow, there's also background of the name of the state right there and see how it listed the cities. Wow, it's so nice actually. Look at the icons and the footer right there. So we're going to copy the logo and the hero section that we have in our previous theme. So we go to assets. I'm just going to copy these two and paste that right here. And let's see how it looks. Let's go to the homepage. Let's choose the logo, but that's fine. We can set it up later. But the way it appears, oh, this is the one thing that I want to check if it's loading the CP. Oh, wow, it got it correctly. The JavaScript is working. Usually in other models, in one prompt, it didn't work the first time. And this is beautiful, guys, using Tailwind UI. So we're gonna check this. And the way it rendered, it's actually prettier than our current right here, which is already in Hosteamer. So let's open this. So let me know in the comment, guys, which one is nicer. So this one is created using Claude 3.7. Initially, we used Gemini 2.5 Flash, but it didn't create the CSS. There's no UI. But now, since we have this custom theme, right, custom instruction to add Daisy UI Tailwind, and this is the result. Beautiful. It's looking great. I like this. It's clean. And look at the button right there. And look at how it is listing the city right there. And New South Wales, looking great. I'm gonna actually use this. I just need to modify some of this, and I will replace this current theme right here. That's about it, guys. So I will be leaving the link to this single prompt directory maker right here, and also this custom UI that you can add in your client settings. That's about it, guys. See you in the next one.